Learn English through story. The Lost Wallet, Easy English for Beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Easy English Official. Today, we will learn English through a simple and interesting story. Listen carefully, learn new words, and improve your English naturally. Let's begin. The Lost Wallet. It was a bright Monday morning. David was walking to work. The weather was cool and pleasant. People were busy on the streets. Some were going to school, some were going to the office. Others were shopping. David enjoyed walking every morning. Suddenly, he saw a black wallet on the sidewalk. He stopped walking. He picked it up. The wallet looked new. David opened it carefully. Inside, there was money. There were also some bank cards. He found an ID card. The owner's name was Michael Brown. David looked around. "Excuse me?" he asked a man nearby. "Did you lose a wallet?" The man smiled. "No, it isn't mine." David asked several other people. Nobody owned the wallet. He didn't know what to do. He could keep the money. Nobody would know. But David was an honest man. He wanted to return it. He looked at the ID card again. There was an address. It wasn't very far away. After work, David went to the address. He knocked on the door. A middle-aged man opened it. "Hello?" David said. "Are you Michael Brown?" The man looked surprised. "Yes, I am." David smiled. "I think this wallet belongs to you." Michael looked at the wallet. His eyes became wide. "My wallet." He quickly checked inside. Everything was there. The money, the cards, the ID. Nothing was missing. Michael was very happy. "I searched everywhere for this," he said. "I thought I had lost it forever." He thanked David many times. Then he took out some money. "Please take this as a reward." David smiled politely. "No, thank you. I'm just happy that you found your wallet." Michael smiled warmly. "People like you make the world a better place." David walked home with a happy heart. He didn't become rich that day, but he felt something even more valuable. He felt proud. He knew he had done the right thing. That night, David slept peacefully. He learned an important lesson. Honesty is always the best choice. Doing the right thing brings true happiness. Vocabulary. Wallet. A small case for money and cards. Honest, always telling the truth. Sidewalk. The path beside the road. Reward. Money or a gift for helping someone. Belong. To be owned by someone. Valuable, very important or useful. Proud. Feeling happy about something good you did. Pleasant, nice and comfortable. Moral of the story. Honesty is more valuable than money. Always do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to practice reading it aloud. See you in the next lesson on Daily Easy English Official. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling.